Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the HP Officejet 6500, and of course this is the E709n version model that uses 920 ink. Now if you're having problems with your print quality, a certain color just isn't printing, black, color, whatever it is, or you have streaks in your when you're printing, this video is going to help you solve that issue. So stay tuned and we'll get right into it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is make sure that this the top of this is lifted up, and you're going to have access here to the printhead. That should come right to the middle, and you're going to want to remove this ink. Now the main culprit of this issue, the main cause is going to be running your ink low. You need to go ahead and check your ink. If you have low ink, I highly recommend you go down in the description below. I'm going to have a link to some 920 black and color ink for you to go ahead and get some new ink. Make this project contingent upon you getting the new ink. Okay, next you're going to want to go ahead and lift up this latch. It's very simple, and you're going to take out the printhead. Alright, so once you've got the printhead out, you're going to want to have a container just like this, and you are going to go ahead and start cleaning it just like it is there. You're going to want to have a container just like this so that you can start cleaning. Now you're going to want to remove this top piece here. It comes right off. It's very easy to put back once it's time to do that. And you're going to want to have it just like this. Now you're going to want to have a syringe just like this. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for a cleaning kit that's very inexpensive to get. Probably the cheapest thing you can get for to repair this printer and to clean the printhead. Click on the link that I have there. It's going to say printhead cleaning kit. It's going to be a really inexpensive kit that you go ahead and get that so that you can do this properly. It's going to come with some instructions, some cleaning solution, a syringe just like this. So that's something that you're really going to want to go ahead and get before you even start this project. Now once you have your cleaning kit, you're going to go ahead and let's say black is the one main nozzle color you're having issues with. You're going to go ahead and start with black. And this kit is going to come with some fitments, so you're not really going to have to use your hand like I am here, but you're just going to put it right over that nozzle and you're going to push it right through. Now you see that blob of ink? That is what you should see. That is normal because it's pushing out the dry ink out into the container. Next I'm going to go ahead and do yellow. Now if you're having a really major issue here and you want to make sure that you have enough cleaning solution, there's also a more expensive, a little bit more expensive, it's not that bad, of a cleaning kit for, you know, just $10 more. You can get more cleaning solution. And if you really aren't printing anything at all, no colors are printing, we're moving over to cyan, I would recommend that you get that cleaning kit that's a little bit more expensive, but it's going to give you more cleaning solution. Okay, so we're over cyan. If you want to take a look here, let's see that cyan coming right out. That's perfect. And next is magenta. Okay, so just so you can see exactly what I'm doing here, putting the nozzle right over the syringe, right over the nozzle, and we're pushing this cleaning solution right through. Now again, you're going to have fitments when you buy this kit, so that shouldn't be a problem. All right, so once you are done and satisfied with the cleaning, I would do this 2 or 3 times if needed, and then just make sure that you go ahead and wipe it down just like this. Make sure that it's all cleaned up on the bottom here. That needs to be cleaned a little bit more. Okay, and make sure to put this top piece back on. It just clicks right back into place. Alright, so also make sure before you put in your printhead that this piece here, this connector piece, is cleaned. You're going to want to clean that before you put the printhead back. That could cause another issue, so you're going to want to make sure that's cleaned as well. Clean it with the cloth, and you know, put some solution on the cloth and clean it off just like that. Okay, so once the back of this piece is cleaned off, you're going to want to get your printhead and you're going to put it right back in there. Now if you're waiting for some new ink, do not run this and try to run this with your old dried out ink. If you do that, you could just be causing the problem all over again, and you're just going to have to clean it again and probably spend some more money on buying another kit. But if you get your new ink and for whatever reason this still doesn't work, I'm going to leave a link in the description below also for a new printhead. If you get a new printhead, that will solve the problem once and for all. If you can't save this printhead, I would recommend you go down in the description below. It's going to be HP 6500 printhead. Go ahead and click that link, and it's going to be a pretty affordable printhead. That's in case this doesn't work. If this works, then great, and now you have the knowledge and you have the tools to be able to clean it the next time if it ever happens again or on another printer. So this information is extremely valuable. Now if you have a code and for whatever reasons things still aren't going your way, you're still having more issues, I'm going to leave a link also to my website, bestprinterstech.com, where you can browse for some newer printers. Also, I'm going to leave a link to this printer and 2 other printers that use similar ink, so that you can go ahead and buy the same printer or something similar that uses a similar ink for a pretty affordable price. So there's a lot of resources down in the description below. I hope you go down there and check things out, get what you need, and hopefully this ends up helping you solve your problem. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and comment below. Also, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.